Hi guys, today is Wednesday and I'm excited to do our activities today. Now remember, our big activity we're doing this week is putting together our yearbooks. So make sure you grab your papers. The first paper you're going to have is My Friends. It says, here is a picture of my friends. I want you guys to think about who's somebody you miss that you get to see at school. Maybe you don't even actually miss them because your mom is letting you FaceTime with them, or maybe Marco Polo and you're seeing them all the time, but I know I miss my friends. So make sure you go ahead and draw a picture of your favorite friends, and it says my friends' names are, and I want you to write them there yourself. So make sure you ask your mom and dad or brother or sister to help you, but you're gonna go ahead and write in the names of all of your friends. Guys, guess what? I miss all of you. If I was doing this, I'd have to draw you all really small because I miss all of you. I miss you being here at Spartan Station. But don't you worry, we're taking good care of Spartan Station. Everybody's staying home and staying healthy and making it so people don't get sick so that we can come back to school as soon as possible. All right, that's your first page. Your second page is snack time. It's one of my favorite things at Spartan Station. How many of you guys remember when Miss Aubrey or Miss Megan would make chocolate chip cookies with you? Delicious. I loved it when I came back from my lunch and I was like, oh, good, delicious chocolate chip cookie just for me. So I want you to go ahead and write what your favorite snack time treat was, and I want you to write on the bottom of what it was. Now, maybe you think, I don't remember. Look around your house, maybe ask your mom, or maybe come up with a super cool snack you want to have at school, and you tell me all about it when you come back next year, and I will make sure that we get it. Do you guys remember when we did sushi out of candy? That was super cool. We've done lots of different fun snack things, so make sure that you go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so that's your second page for that today. Now, your next activity is a son name. So what we're doing here is we're going to take this piece of paper, and I've already cut mine out, but you're going to cut it out here, and this is going to be part of your son. So I want you to go ahead and write your name. So first you're going to color it. So I'm just going to color this yellow because my son is yellow. All right, here we go. Yellow. Now what we're going to do is on the rays of sun, we're going to write one letter on each ray of sun. So here are my rays that I cut out, and I'm going to go ahead and color them. Now, if your mom has super cool paper, there's a chance she already printed it out on yellow for you, which would be awesome. I was going to do that, but I thought, you know what? If I was doing it this home with Addie and Brainy, I would not actually have cool yellow paper to print it out on. So I thought I might as well do exactly what I hope you guys are doing at home. All right, I've got two more because I'm gonna write my name. What's my name? Miss Sarah. And I have 5 letters in my name. S-A-R-A-H. So that means I have to have 5 sunshine rays to make my name. All right, we ready? Here's my name. S-A-R-A-H. So I need 5 of them. All right, so I have my sun, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my marker, and I'm going to write one letter on each ray of sun. I'm going to get black. So I'm going to write my S, and I'm going to write an A, lowercase, remember, because capital letters only come at the beginning of a name or a proper place. A. My next one's going to be R. And then A. That's right, I have 2 A's in my name. And my last one is going to be an H. And then what I'm going to do, and I forgot it, so hold on one second. Oh, I see my glue stick over here, I forgot. Don't worry, I'm coming down. All right, my glue stick. I need to go ahead and make sure that I glue on in the correct order. So my name is Sarah. So first is S, and then an A, and then an R, and then an A, and last is an H. All right, guys. Guess what I just made? I made a sunshine with my name. S-A-R-A-H spells Sarah. Hopefully you're making yours and you can hang it up somewhere in your room. All right, guys, our next activity today is a matchup game. Now, I sent these to you, but I actually laminated them here at school because I thought, these are awesome. I want to match these up at school. So you'll have one side that has a number in it and also the word. Now, notice it's dotted, so if you want to, you can practice tracing, writing the word 8 or drawing the number 8, okay? So you go ahead and I want you to lay them out. And then I want you to take all the ones that have flowers on them, and I want you to set those to the side because you're gonna wanna be able to look at one and then grab the other ones. Ooh, doubled up on that one. Oh, I would have missed my one flower. All right, so after you've laid them all out, I want you to pick one of your flowers. And I want you to count how many there are, and then I want you to go ahead and find that number. Now, if you wanna go backwards because you're super smart, 4 and 5-year-olds, maybe you can grab this one and say, what number is that? That's 7. And then you can look and see which one of your flowers has 7. But I'm gonna do it the other way. So here's my first one I'm gonna grab. Should we count how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm gonna look down and say, where's my 5? I found it. Here is my number 5 and the word 5 to go with my 5 flowers. That's a match. All right, let's do another one. How many flowers are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 flowers here. Let's see if I can find the number 7. Oh, here it is. 7. This is the number 7 and also the word 7. Remember, you can trace them if you want to practice your writing. All right, let's do one more. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm gonna grab the number 6 and hold it up. Look, there it is, it's a match. This is the number 6 and the word 6. I grabbed the wrong one to see if you were paying attention. That's not a 6. It's a 9. This is not a match. That is not right. Let me go back. Let me find my 6. Here we go. This is the number 6 and the word 6. You guys can go ahead and mix them up, and then maybe if you're super smart and after you've done it one time, you can see how good your brain is remembering and do it backwards and say, 6, which one had 6 flowers? And you'll remember it was this one. All right, guys, that's a super fun game. I actually laminated it because I thought if I'm printing this out, I might as well keep it for Spartan Station. And when you guys come back to play, guess what? You can go ahead and play with it too. All right, guys, our next activity is an awesome one. Now, guys, I want you to know, I do not know how to make a paper airplane. When we need a paper airplane and you say, hey, Miss Sarah, we make me a paper airplane, what do I say? Go ask Mr. Matt. I'm not good at making paper airplanes. But I went on my computer, I typed it into Google and said, paper airplanes, and it gave me little pictures of each step. And here I am with 2 paper airplanes. So I made this type of a paper airplane and this type of a paper airplane. What do you think we're gonna do with these, guys? We're gonna have we're gonna do science. We're gonna race. We're gonna have a hypothesis. Which one is gonna go further? Which one is gonna fly straighter? Is this one gonna go way off to the side, but this one will go straight? I don't know. But I want you to go ahead and make 2 different paper airplanes, and then I want you to come up with some questions. Maybe you'll say, hey, I wanna put it up high in the sky and drop them and see which one drops the fastest. You can ask any question you want because you are a scientist and I want you to ask the questions. Now, maybe you say, I only know how to make one type of paper airplane. Well, 2 options. You can go on Google and figure out how to make another one. This one wasn't too bad. Or you can try and do something different. Miss Sarah always likes to staple or put a paper clip on to hold hers together. Maybe your experiment is, hey, I wonder which one would go further, the one with the staple, the one without the staple, one with it or without. Maybe you can fold it and fold it the exact same way, but with a smaller piece of paper. Would the bigger one go further or would the smaller one? Which one would fall to the ground the fastest? I don't know, guys, but you get to do that with your paper airplanes today. And maybe you can even set up, go outside and throw them and see if you can't find a place to go ahead and have a bullseye where you try and hit it. Oh, see, I'm not very good. Let's try again. Haha. Okay, so that is your paper airplanes. The next thing is Miss Sarah wants you to have fun. I miss you. Usually when I want to do something fun for you guys, I run to the store and I buy something super awesome and we get to do something super cool. I can't do that. So I added water balloons to the list, and I'm hoping your mom and dad looked at the list and was like, oh, water balloons. Miss Sarah says my kids need these. And they went to the store and bought you water balloons so that you can go outside and play with water balloons today. Why did I do it? Because I think water balloons are awesome and you would have fun doing it. So if your mom and dad bought water balloons, awesome. If not, I want you to go and get maybe a water gun. And you know what? If you don't have a water gun, guess what you can do? That big bowl you used for sink float, I want you to go fill it back up with water. I want you to get a cup and I want you to just throw water at everybody you see. Because you know what? It's going to be summer soon. And water is my favorite thing to play with in the summer. All right, guys, our last thing we're going to do, is our find and count page. All right, we've done lots of these, so we know how to do them. Now, you're going to go ahead and look, and you're going to see the bird. Now, you have two options. You can just look with your eyes and count the birds. How many birds do you see? This one's pretty easy. I only see one bird right up there at the top. So now, another option you could do for, say, the flowers like this, there's more than one bird. So you can put an X through them as you do them, or you could color them while you do them to go ahead and make sure that you keep track of them. So I want you to go ahead and go through this sheet, and I want you to color and write down how many there are of each thing. All right? All right, guys, good work. Activities are done for Wednesday, and we'll go ahead and see you tomorrow for Thursday. Don't forget to take really good care of your yearbook. When you come, we're going to have all the teachers lining up outside, and you're going to drive by your car, and we're going to be waving and saying how much we miss you, and I'm going to give you the last 2 pages of your yearbook. So I want to make sure that you have it ready to go so that you can put it all together again, and you can have it to remember us always. All right, guys, it was good seeing you, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.